It started with watching others. I saw faceless videos on my feed. No face, no fancy gear. Just clean storytelling, AI voices, and crazy engagement. And I thought, if they can do it, why not me? So I opened ChatGPT, wrote a simple script, nothing fancy, just truth. How to stay focused when you're tired. Boom, 10 lines, solid flow. My message, refined. Then I turned words into voice. No mic, no editing, just ElevenLabs, one voice, infinite reach. Next, visuals. I pasted my voiceover into Pictory. It matched scenes to every word. Now it looked like a real video. Not perfect, but it worked. And right there, in front of me, was my first faceless content. Built from nothing, powered by AI. No face, no excuses. That became my workflow. ChatGPT to write, ElevenLabs to speak, Pictory to show. 3 tools, 1 voice, 0 camera. If you're watching this thinking, I wish I could create content like that, you can. You don't need to show your face to be seen. You just need the courage to start. I'm A-OK AI, faceless by choice, but never silent.
You create, AI executes. Stories built by AI, felt by humans.
Like what you see? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay locked in for the next drop. If you're serious about automating faceless content and stacking AI income, don't just scroll, build. Grab your free AI toolkit at aok-ai.online and unlock 20% off. Today only. Let's turn your ideas into real cash flow. Stick around. I'll show you exactly how in the next video.